The Intellectual Property Protection or IPP feature ensures that your apps cannot be deployed to another infrastructure without your consent. You should be able to see the IPP code by opening the module in Service Studio and viewing the module properties here. Or you can navigate to Administration's License tab in your Environment Service Center. To remove the IPP, just download the module or solution or application in Service Center, and then navigate to OutSystems IPP portal. So for example, I have downloaded an OML, and I also need to provide the destination activation code. And then you need to hit send. Once the IPP rights validation succeeded, you will be notified using the email that you've provided. A similar email, something like this. You should receive a similar email, something like this. It contains the link to download the application module or solution that can be deployed to the target environment.